Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial, I have a very fascinating website for you where you can visualize the various internet domains as a galaxy. Now, in order to find it, just simply open any of the browser and in the search bar, you have to search for internetmap.net. Just simply hit this URL and hit enter and wait for the website to get load. You can see the right URL, it has a dash in between. Once you do that, you can see a cloud image have been appeared right in front of you where you can see the cloud format. The bigger cloud means the mostly used thing, and you can zoom in to see various other URLs that have been using. And yeah, it's a very fascinating thing if you have a fascination about the internet. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.